Sorry. You see?
See it tie off there.
I was just checking this thing out. Look. There's a tree here.
Pepper that right, babes. Eat that thing right now.
Oh.
Yeah, tree man.
Tomatoes.
Yeah, big tall. You see our tomato probably go like that in the yard.
If we hook it up right.
But you see how tall him gone up with it. Where are we gonna get? Maybe that fence is tall still. If we go across the top of the fence. Remember that's what we almost did.
Yeah.
Like we have the laundry thing.
So at least we know not to tie it off anymore.
Just wrap it around so. And get this kind of line for it too, real light.
Yeah, because it's not even strong.
It's perfect.